today because I'm gonna make a special dessert for 4th of July, the Independence Day dessert! Yay! By the way, I have my helper there. But right now we're gonna make chocolate pudding tarts. Dun, dun, dun. It's so cool. So I'm glad that it's so cool because I like it to wait for tomorrow and Independence Day. And don't forget. Say hello to my little friend.
Hello, my name is Donatina.
Yeah, oh Donatina. It is so good. Good. But now let's get started. Okay guys, let's get started. So first we're gonna make the crust for the pudding to be poured in later. And what we need is a bowl, which is also hot. So we will need 1 cup and half of flour. And then we'll pour it in. Kind of looks like snow, but almost because it's not snow. I pour a little. I just feel a little bit. But now we'll move on. Right. So we'll move on to the next one. The next one we'll need cool chunks of butter. And we'll need to use it with our hand, of course. And now let's get it started. It might get messy, but it's okay. It's a little bit melted. You guys like chocolate? Then make sure you comment down below. Or subscribe if you agree. Okay guys, so I'm done crumbling and this is my result, what I've done. Now we'll put a teaspoon of sugar, right? So this, now we're gonna put it all over, and don't make a mess of it. Now we'll put it back and close it. Now we'll put the salt next, dash of salt. All right. Too much, but now we're gonna mix it up right now. It's about to get messy, but it's okay because I have a bowl and I'm not afraid to use it. I have my trusty friend right here. My trusty friend is ready. And I'll start again. Okay, we're done mixing. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of water. And make sure you put it everywhere. It's gonna get wet, but don't worry, because if you're a kid, then ask an adult to help. Now let's start making a doll. Kind of like a fan. Okay guys, I turned my doll into balls. I put a couple of more spoons so that it'll be nice. And it has to be like this. Remember that, because now we're gonna cool it up until 1 hour, and I'm gonna let my trusty friend do it. Here you go. All right, now we're gonna make the pudding later.
Ah, thank you.
Oh, thank you, Donatina. My God, it's been 1 hour, and this dough is chilled. Oh, you guys, I forgot to mention that you need to wrap it up in plastic wrap so that it won't get colder and colder. But now let's roll it! Alright, so now that we have this doll opened up, we're gonna put flour. Put it all around to make sure we don't let the wood stick on it. A little bit messy, but quite so. But now let's put it and start doing it. Right. We'll need this rolling pin. Now let's start. Okay guys, I finished rolling. Now I forgot to mention that these tin things are like mini pies, but we're gonna make tarts with those. We're gonna there's gonna be 4 rolls in each, like 4 there, one there, one there, and one there, and one there. So we're gonna, and there is even like the thing, we're gonna turn it upside down, and we're gonna make 4 circles with those. And now we're gonna get right. Alright guys, now that we have 4 circles, except for one, because we've done this cute tart, now let's do the others. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. So you start by taking this, or you may use something else, but do not try this. Only adults. Now we're gonna put it inside the tin tart thing. Now we're gonna put it in there. It's a little difficult, so ask an adult to help. And I forgot to mention, you may put these tiny things inside it to make sure that it will be just like this. And make sure you have to make it nice and durable, so all the puddings will come out. It'll be nice and safe. Hey Mom, can you help me? My mom is gonna help me with the cutting. So, it would be nice if you ask adults. Ooh. Oh, it's cracking. Let me help. It's okay. It's okay, Mom. See a little crack on it. Is it good? And you guys, remember, do not touch like this thing on the bottom, because you might destroy it. Like it might fall out and it might be destroyed. Oh, I touched the knife. And to the knife, you cannot try this at home. It's very dangerous. But let's keep on working. Isn't that nice to have a good mother and a good daughter? Okay guys, we have 4 crusts for mini tarts. We have prepared this, now it's time to bake them. Now let's make pudding! Here, Mommy. Here, Mommy. Okay guys, while our crust is baking, we're gonna make pudding next, which is so cool. Chocolate pudding. So what do we need to do is that we need to pour 2 cups of milk, which is 5 milliliters, in this mixer. And don't forget you need to pour this one too. And you have to mix it until 2 minutes. Let's start. So, let's take out the cake. But let's pour the milk in. Now we're going to put the powder. Smells good, guys. Can't wait to have it turn out. Okay Okay guys, now that we have these two ingredients inside, time for adults to mix it. Our pudding is ready. Now it's time for the taste test. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna take a little bit since there's like too many. Oh, thanks. Nope, can't have any. Here you go. Nope, can't have any. So this is what our final results is. Alright guys, the crust is ready. It's baked and cooled. And the pudding and chocolate pudding is chilled. And now time to decorate. I'm pretty sure that my tart will be better. Let's decorate, but let's put the pudding inside first. Now we're about to scoop up the pudding and put it on the tart shell. Let's get started. Yeah. This will be good. My tart is better. Yay! Da, 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 da. Needs a little more. Okay, so if you have leftovers, we're gonna save it for later for you to eat. And I guess scoop. Go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's a big scoop. Now it's time to decorate! So, we have powdered sugar. We're gonna put it everywhere. So, it's going good so far. Now it's time to decorate. So now right here, we have here shaved chocolate, American sprinkles with a bunch of stars as well, and cookies, which is Oreo, of course. And we're about to team up by splitting it. And I'm pretty sure my cake will be better. So let's get started. Well, there is this one too. Right, let's get started. I'm gonna make a star more star. Okay. This is so cool. This is what I did so far. Alright. Now we'll add the cookie. So we're gonna put it right. So right now, we're gonna put it right over here. Okay, this is what I did. Oh my goodness, Donatia, you did so fast. But I'm pretty sure mine will be better. Now we're gonna use this to put it everywhere. It looks like a nest to me. I think I'm gonna put way too many chocolate. I'm gonna do that side because the side's kind of messy. Now let's start. So awesome, right? Alright guys, decorating goes good. I'm decorating that one now. Yeah, it's kind of dirty. It's so good. I like decorating. Too bad I didn't use that side because I might have put in too much chocolate. But it's okay. I still will wash my hands. We'll need this. Oh, she has two of those white. Now I'm gonna open up. Then take out this. I'm gonna take it out and make something. We'll put it there. So I'm gonna be quick. Finish. This is our result. Okay guys, we finished decorating. I hope you like this channel. And which one's the best? Is my side the best or Donatina's side the best? Check our results. Alright, I think you picked the winner already. But for right now, you have to subscribe to my channel right there and click that bell button, boom, 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 and give it a thumbs up. Now let's taste that. Maybe it looks a little messy though, but let's taste it. Tastes good. I hope you guys like this. Okay guys, thank you for watching my channel. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell button down there and click that thumbs up. Bye guys, happy Independence Day!